This is where giants are born. Every ship starts here, with steel, sparks, and human touches water. It begins as raw steel, measured, moved, and prepared for transformation.
Every cut must be perfect. One mistake here could cost millions later.
Is the ship's skeleton, strong, massive, and built to survive the ocean. Thousands of welds hold this giant together. Each one matters.
Piece by piece, the hull becomes a single, unstoppable structure.
Inside, it feels like a steel city. Every corridor is built by hand.
These floors will one day carry crews, cargo, and thousands of tons of weight.
Part of the ship. Without this, nothing moves.
Each engine is a monster of steel and precision.
A modern ship is powered by miles of cables hidden behind these walls.
Water, air, everything flows through these veins.
This is where the ship will be commanded.
From here, the captain will guide thousands of tons across oceans.
A ship is only as good as the lives it protects.
Just paint. It's armor against the sea.
After months or years, it finally looks like a real ship.
Every weld, every system gets checked.
Before the ocean tests it, the factory does.
This is the moment the ship comes alive.
Years of work, it finally leaves the nest.
First breath as a sea vessel.
Even giants need help taking their first steps.
Now the real testing begins.
Perfection is built in the last detail.
This giant is... From factory floor to open sea. Mission complete.
Now it belongs to the people who will sail it.
Started as steel. Now it's a legend in motion.